Hi friends, I'm back with one more interesting video. So I think you all know me by my FNO option. So I've been like making like 300, 400, 500 videos on my FNO option. But I keep on telling you that if you in terms of expertise level, swing trading is what I'm good at. If you think that I'm very good at FNO, so I think I'll take it as a compliment. But this is a new video, basically not new video, but a video from me which will be like unique. So wherein I'll be like showing you my 2 years of equity, profit and loss, the entire journey where in advance I'm telling you I've burned my profit, or my profit in my experimental phase. Okay, so rather than me telling in theory, once I'll show you my entire account history and everything, and then we'll come back to this slide and then we'll discuss what was the takeaway from this 2 years. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take you to my Kite. So I mean every day I'm just showing you the angel one. I'll also tell you because Kite Zerodha was my first account. Okay, so this is my real this thing. So I'll refresh the page also. I'm not a big trader wherein I have to show the refresh. This is my real trade. Okay, so what I'll do, my funds is zero. If you look at my funds, I don't have any fund, right? This is zero. Now what I'll do, I'll take you to my console. All right, so first let me show you, right, I mean what initial capital I had. Okay, so maybe if you look, say I don't know how to get the initial capital, so maybe I've deployed somewhere close to 5 or 6 lakhs I believe, right? If I take this 5 or 6 lakhs, so let me, I think I might have deployed 6 lakhs, I don't exactly remember. Okay, so let me take you to account. Okay, before that, right, before that, let me, how should I do that? Give me a second, friend, give me a second. Okay, I should have actually opened that. Okay, let me see. Query. Oh, give me a second, friends. I should have opened that actually. Okay, this one. Right, I want that Excel sheet basically. What I want is one Excel sheet. Okay, what I'll do. Sorry, guys. I should have, right? What I'll do, I'll say, let's say 1 lakh. Okay, 6 lakhs was my capital, right? So I'll show you everything, right? Let's say 6 lakhs was my capital, and I'll put like 111, and what I'll do, equal to this divided by this into 100. Okay, so I want this Excel. So what I'll do, I'll take it to my this thing. So let's take 6 lakhs. Okay, now I'll take you to reports, my profit and loss. So for now you will see a blur here, right? Intentionally I'm putting you that blur. I'm not doing any editing, but you will get to know at the end of the video why why I'm just putting the blur over here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take you back to 2020. So that's where I've started my swing trading experience. That's where I've started my swing trading journey. So I'll take you to, let's say first, that was not 1st of Jan basically, but let me show you 1st of Jan so that it's a round figure. 1st of Jan. All right, and I'll take you to 2020. So maybe first we'll take for the first 6 months. Okay, June 38th. Okay, so I'm taking 1st of Jan 2020 to 6 months, June 20. Okay, see the moment I've done this, so this, see, though I've started my journey in June, but maybe initial like 1 to 2 months, like I've done some sort of research. I was very new to the swing trading. So if you look at this thing, right, check the, so this is key pointer, right? Check the trades. I've just taken maybe 38 trades within that 1 or 2 months, right? 38 trades, it says 1 of 20. So maybe 38 trades is what I've taken. All right. So now check this profit, friends. 1,80,000. So that's the reason I came up with this Excel. Okay. So what I'll do, let's say 1,80,000 was my profit. So I almost made 30%. Right? This, what is the formula actually? Right? This is the formula, because on a capital of 6 lakhs, if I'm making 1,80,000, so then my returns would be 30%. All right. So I've made 30% in just 1 month. Okay, if you want to see the trades and everything, again I'll take you back. This is going to be like very interesting. If you look at the trade, okay, I'll click on net realized. These are all my loss making trades, right? Your S Bank, Tata, and way back in 2020, friend, way back in 2020 when I was a fresh swing trader. Now the video is going to be like very interesting. I'll show you like how I made government trades. and how I've burned out my hard-earned money in my experimental phase, right? You check this. These are all my smaller losses. If you look at the profit, see, my maximum loss was 3,500, 1,400, 956. I've just traded 38 trades. This is not like 1 or 2 trades, friend, 38 trade. Let me show you the profits. I've made bigger profits. See, Quest, right? I've done this. This is what, friends, I mean, whenever you're joining my mentorship program for the swing trading, the reason why I'm making this video is all for those folks who wanted to join the swing trading mentorship. This is not something like just because I'm not sharing you my profit and loss for the swing trading, that doesn't mean that you can just ignore me. I'm very good at swing trading, so that's the reason I'm making this video with my live trade. I'm not doing any tampering. Now check the profit. First, I made almost 49%. 29% in Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Holdings. See, I have diversified into multiple sectors, right? This is your banking sector, this is your FMGC, this is your, what do we say, the hospitality, right? Banking sector, Naukri, NBC, these many stocks. See, your media, okay, CDSL, IDFC, Dabur, FMGC, banking sector. So these are the profits. I've made the bigger profits, 38,000, 31,000, all are bigger profits basically, right? This is the only one thing Dabur I've made. But if you look at the losses, what I've made, those are all small losses, like 450, 430. Now, now the magic comes. Okay, so I've made almost how much? I've made almost 30%. Now, slowly what I'll do, I'll take you to the next month. So this is June, right? First, I'll take you to the next 6 months, and then we'll jump away right to the next year also, right? June 31st, right? Here comes the magic. Okay, so now my profit is 1,80,000. I've just traded 38. Okay, before that, right, I want to show you. Check my brokerage charges. My brokerage charges is only 2,423. I'm paying for security for the STT charges. Brokerage charges are 214. All right. Now, I'll take you to July 31st. All right. What happens in the July 31st? See, the number of trades have increased from 28 or 30. The number of trades have increased to 90. So what does that mean? I have been doing some experiments, okay? Because whenever I started my swing trading, if I've started my swing trading with an what do we say, expectation of getting into profit, that would not work. First, you have to learn. What do I say? Whenever you want to do the MBBS or chartered account or BK1 course, we need to spend some time, right? Unless and until you do the experiments, you will not able to know what market will give you. You have to test you have to be prepared with all the market conditions. Okay, now, so I've increased my trades from 28 or 30 to 90. Almost 2 times have increased. Check the profit, right? Slowly I've started giving more of what? STT charges and brokerages, because this is the this I've learned basically. Maybe at this point I've not realized that I'm just giving so much of brokerage charge. Yes, I was getting into profit, but see, 16,000 I've just given in 1 month, friends. See, previously it was only 2,000. Within just 1 month I've given almost like 15,000 to government. I did not even realize. So the reason why I'm making this video is just to make you realize how to do this swing trading. Okay, now, right, I've just captured 97,000 profit, net realized profit I've captured. I believe I think I've just whatever profit I've captured, and this the net unrealized risk stocks were still running. So if you look at this thing, right, see, this is what the market will do, like bigger losses. Okay, bigger losses. So let me check the profits also. I think ideally we will be getting bigger profits also. See, Bajaj Finance 7%. Again, Sequest. I think I've done partial booking, or maybe I went for the second time. I believe already I got 49%. So then maybe I might have booked the profit, and then I might have went for another stocks, or it might be a partial profit booking. I don't know, friends, because this is like all two years back. I don't know. But the takeaway from this video, you will get to know. Stay with me, please. Don't get bored. Right? You have something very interesting actually. So this is if this happened with me, then this can happen with anyone. Okay, now what I'll do, so 90 trades. So slowly what I'll take, I'll just try to take you to August quickly. Okay, August. So before that, you check 16,000 was my brokerage charges, brokerage and STT. My profit was 1,14,000. I'll take you to August. Right, see, my brokerage charges has increased. Okay, now you look at my profit. So maybe I've realized the profit. So slowly, so already we made almost like 30% within like 1 month. Check this, June month, July month, more of reds. I mean, you cannot expect me to be in green, right? Because that was my experimental phase. Combination of red and green, But overall net I'm into profit for the first 3 months. right? I should say kudos to myself, because I've started my swing trading, but overall I'm at profit. But you will get to know what happened next. Okay, what I'll do again, I'll take you to see number of trades. From 30 it went to 90, again it went to 131. This is not something like I've just played with 1 or 2 trades, friends. I've played with 131 stocks, different stocks. If you want the list, I'll be seeing this is like 7 pages basically. Needless to say, I think you guys will understand. And now what I'll do, I'll go to September 30th. So slowly I'm just increasing the months. See now I might have booked the profit again. Still I'm in profit. Check the brokerage charges, friends. Check the brokerage, STT and brokerage. Forget about brokerage. This is the eye opener for me. I am making the government rich. See, from my profit, from my 63,000, 23,000, I'm just giving it for STT. This is the result of over trading. Again, I'm telling you, this is the result, because check my 149, 150 stocks. From 30 to 60 to 90 to 120 to 150. Okay, as and when I'm just increasing the stocks, the brokerage charges are increasing. But I have to get that done, right? Because if I want to become a successful swing trader, I have to do that experiment. So this was my experimental phase. I'm not trying to show you my profit or loss. Yeah, if someone says this guy is in loss, so then I'll not even answer them. Boss, this is my journey towards the swing trader. People end up losing their money, end up losing their capital. But did I lost my capital? Not even a single capital I've lost. Still I'm in green. Yes, my profit is slowly decreasing because I'm doing more of experiments in terms of giving. Ideally, my profit is 63,000 plus 35,000. Ideally, because if I do not do the over trading, I could have saved this money. Okay, now let me take you to next month. This is going to be like interesting, right? October 38th. Okay, so now if you look at, see, my profit has come down. Check the brokerages charges. See now, though I'm at 159, so maybe at that in this month I might have not done any changes, but still check 40,000 brokerage charges. I'm sorry for saying brokerage charges, the charges and the taxes. STT is the main culprit. I did not realize until this time. Seriously, I did not realize. I thought I'm making profit, everything is green, but I've not realized at looking at this point. Okay, now check this. June, right, we made a good profit. July, more of reds, more of greens. More of reds and less of greens, but still we are in profit. August, September, October, right? October also has more of reds. That's the reason it is showing, right? Because I want to do the experiments, right? I want to do the experiments basically. See, again, I've increased the. Now what I'll do, I'll take you to November. So we'll just go for another like 1 or 2 months, and then I'll take you to the next month. Okay, I'll go to November. Okay, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. 40,900. So did we selected in October, and then we have to go for, let's say, November 38. Okay, so now check the magic, friend. So I made almost like, see, realized profit is like 2,61,000. See, I'm not sure how to calculate the formulas and everything, but believe me, at this time I made a good profit actually. See, 2,61,000. If I take you to this thing, I don't know what. If I make like 2,61,000, so I almost made 43% of the profit, because I'm just showing you all my trades live, right? My realized profit. Check the charges, friend. Check the charges. 51,000 is my charges. Later I've realized. Net realized profit is 1 point and unrealized profit. So net, I'm not sure how to do the calculation and everything, because this was more of an experimental trade, right? I might be wrong, but overall I was in a very good profit for the first 5 to 6 months. Okay, check the trades. 176. So don't you think 176 trades will give you huge experience? But still I was in experimental phase. What do I say? Unless and until we spend like 1 year, 2 years of real experience, you will not experience the market condition. I know when I want to become the successful trader, what I want is like, I want to sacrifice this profit. Seriously, I'm telling you, even in the options also I'll do the same thing. I want to sacrifice this profit. And get the real learning experience from market. I don't want to put my hard-earned money, I don't want to give it to market, but still here for the first 5-6 months I was still in profit. Now the magic starts, because it was a very volatile market, right? Now what I'll do, I'll take you to the December last month, right? Okay, then we'll go for next year, right? December. This is how this is. Still I'm in green with 200 stocks. If you want, I can share you the list also. See, still I'm making bigger profits. Okay, these are all the profits. If you want to see, even I made the bigger losses also. See, Reliance, I still remember I went to office that particular day. It made a huge red candle actually. So I did not add the time to at least manage, but see that's not an exception. Basically we have to accept. So then these are all the smaller losses, so I strictly go for 1:2. But still here friends, I strictly go to 1:2 trades or 1:3, but this was still my experimental. See, the reason why I'm telling experimental phase is like, also guys, you need to also go into that experimental phase. Don't look at this profit. If someone is main priority is just to come with profit, you will not come from profit, right? Market can give you once, twice, you'll get to know what happened, right? Now what I'll do, right? See, this is my 5 months: June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So maybe I might have also got into that greed nature, right? Okay, I got so much of profit, so let's do the experiment. So now I'm standing at 200. So what I'll do, I'll just take you to December 2021, friend. This is December 2021. So from Jan 20 to December 2021 31st, now the magic starts. Okay, see, check. My profit is 1,32,000. I've given 1,50,000 as the STT and brokerage charges. Got it? Check the 1,18,000. I've just given it for the security charges. This is one of the drawback of the, I would not say swing trading, drawback of over trading. Check this, 249. Right, I've been doing over trading, friends. I've been doing over trading. Who told me to go for 249 stocks? That's the greatest learning from my experimental phase. Okay, that's what, when I'm doing my swing mentorship program, I don't want you guys to do this mistake. I'm just charging you 5,000, friends, 5,000 per 2 months. See, forget about 2 months. I'll make you an independent trader. The mistakes what I've done, you should not be doing the mistake. Just to give you the proof, I've even seen somewhere on the Twitter, someone said, right, this famous guy, he said, ask him to show his 2 years profit. Yes, he has opened up my eye. So that's the reason I'm showing you my 2 years of profit and loss. If you were expecting green, yes, I'm still in green. Till date, I'm in green from almost like 1.5 years, but you will get to know. You will get to know what is there from you. Because I wanted to sacrifice this profit in terms of getting the real-time experience. No one will teach you, friend. No one will teach you this spoon feeding. Check 249 trades within a span of 1.5 years. Is that the right approach? Absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. Who told me to go for 2-4? That's the main reason for me to give this 1.5 lakhs of STT charges. Check this. Brokerage is still, I can say this is acceptable. Okay. When this is not acceptable, check the security charges. 1,18,000. So I made government rich. Okay, I made government rich, and there are like so many people who do not know about the STT charges. They keep on deploying, and just imagine, right? And even whatever profit I got, okay, whatever profit I got, I'll be paying 10%, 20%, 30% to the government. Either you are losing, you have to pay for government. Even if you are winning, you have to pay for the government. This is where, right, we are making government rich. Okay, so even I'll tell you how to avoid this STT charges. That's what my swing trading is all about, right? Believe me, I'm just charging you 5,000 just to have that accountability. It's a win-win situation for you and me. I'm going to share you my complete swing trading system. Okay, now let me show you, right? I mean, if required, I could have stopped here. I could have told you, right, so I'm in profit. I'm not, see, I don't want to cheat, right? I'll show you till. I'll take you to the current date. Okay, if someone would have made this video, they would have stopped the moment we see the 2,70,000 something profit, right? This calculation what we have done, right? I could have told I made 43%, right? That's it. I could have shown the screenshots and everything. This is what happens in the social media. That's what I have been like very honest with you guys, but you guys are taking me for granted. If required, I could have just went to that screenshot. I've told 43% is what I've made in just 6 months, 7 months, right? Then people would have told, oh, he's a great, but again I'll show you what. See, this is how people will cheat you. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just take you to the current date. That's it. What is current date? I'll get you to October 22nd. Now you will be amazed, not by looking at, you will be shocked basically. Okay, see, this is what happens. Okay, let's see, 22nd, and this is the reason I've initially blurred the screen. Okay, just to show you. Now see, I'm still in green. Okay, but 1,52,000, this is the current date. 1,52,000 I've just given it for the STT charges 1,18,000, but net I've just given how much? Only 13,000 friends to the market in the overall 1.5 year of journey. And check this, I do not have any stocks in December, February, March, April, May, June. Maybe I might have traded one. No stocks, no equity, no equity, no equity, because this is the time when I started with what? With my options. You got my point? First it was swing. Okay, the only what I've given to the market, just 13,000 friends, 13,000 I've given it to market. Yeah, then I've realized, boss, I have to be like very what do we say, we have to just build the system. So then I got up with that swing trading system. So now I have a altogether different account on my wife name. See, again, don't ask me to show my wife, because I mean, you know, right, income tax, there should be some sort of confidentiality, right? If someone wants, I'll be able to share my wife account, wherein I have been like making consistent profit since from then. I mean to say consistent profit, because market I've just given 13,000 rupees overall in 1.5 year, where people lose their capital. But with 2 years, market has taught me like what mistakes you have done, what you should be doing. So that's where I got up with my swing trading system. I'll show you one side. So now see, I made 1,40,000, but the main culprit is, if I would have not done over trading, so then this would have been like my 3 lakhs or 2 lakhs profit, I don't know, and then I would have been in green. But this is what happened, and this has to happen with everyone. Okay, right from day one, if you are looking for profit, that is not feasible. You have to explore the market. So proudly I can say I have given 0 to the market. 0 to the market, but now I'm making consistent profit. If someone has given 0 to the market in the last 2 years and is doing all the experiments, see, 251 stocks, friends, 251 stocks experience, right? I mean, hope you're getting my point. If there are some gamblers, I would not even recommend you to watch my video. Hope you are getting with my logic, right? This is what I wanted to show you. Okay, so net, if someone wants to see my profit and loss, this is my real trade. And if you look at the right, this is done, right? So net I could have stopped in the previous section. I could have shown you I made 43%, but I'll be like very honest with you. But why did I not trade it in during this month, right? You all know, right? So this is a time wherein I was preparing for the options, FNO options. But that doesn't mean that I've stopped trading. What I've done is like, I mean, I've just I've been doing my swing trading into my wife's account, and also I manage some clients account, friends. I'm managing some clients account. So basically by using the TradeTron, I mean, we have a software basically, so wherein I'll be like punching the order, so everything will get executed into all the multiple accounts. Not a big client account, I'm just managing like 5 to 6 client accounts. Okay, along with one of the account with my wife's account. So now, what is the funds I'm having now? 0. Let me show you how to see that. Okay, let me show you here, right? Funds, I have 0 funds. Got it? Now, what will you explain? I'll tell you one thing, friend. I'll tell you one thing. Okay, this is what you will be getting with my see, yeah. So this is what, right? So I've shared you my my 2 years of equity profit and loss. I've shown you my complete journey. So where I've burned my profit, you saw I made almost 43%, I made 30%, I made 15% within a span of 2 to 3 months, 5 to 6 months. But along with that, I wanted to experiment. I wanted to see how the risk to reward will work, right? I mean, how to trail the stop loss, when to buy, when to exit, what is the price action. I'll show you. I have one more screen, right? So that's what journey where I burned my profit in my experimental phase. So the takeaway from this course would be, I'll show you. Okay, this is what, friends, this is what I've done. Whenever I go for any stock, I don't deploy blindly. I don't deploy randomly. What I'll do, so let's say this is my Maruti. Let's say this is my Maruti stock, which is giving me an indication that this might go up, okay, or this might come down. I'll give you a small example. This stands at a very critical support. So I'll not blindly go long in Maruti. What I'll do, first I'll go and check the auto sector. See, this is auto sector. If you see CNX auto sector, what is the auto sector doing? What is the auto sector ask for me? Yes, even this is standing at a critical support. Either it can go up or it can come down. If it comes down, it will take the support of this trend line. Okay, we will be discussing now. Okay, I'll not even see once I go, okay, even the auto sector is giving me a sort of bullish, because if you see there is a consolidation, it is taking a support, it might go up, it will not Wrong to say, well, it might go up. So I have a confirmation from my stock, I have a confirmation from my sector. Then how will I ignore my Nifty? Because end of the day, Nifty is the parent, right? So auto sector, your FMGC, those are all child of Nifty. We all know that. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll try to see what is Nifty doing. Nifty is at a very critical resistance. Try to understand, friend. So it can give a breakout or else it can give a breakdown. That's it, too simple. If this gives a breakout, right? If Nifty gives a breakout, ideally the potential, the probability of IT sector, sorry, auto sector also going up is more. And if this IT sector goes up, your potential, your probability of Maruti also going up is high, very high. Point number one. Second thing, if Nifty gives a breakdown, right? If Nifty gives a breakdown, this doesn't mean that if Nifty comes down, your auto sector will also come down. That doesn't mean that auto sector will come down. You know, right? In Nifty, we have 12 to 15 sectors. Whenever the Nifty goes up, it doesn't mean that all the sectors will be going up. No, there will be few defensive sectors which will be coming down. So who knows? The defensive sector would be this your auto sector. When Nifty has a plan to come down, maybe auto sector has plan to go up, right? Which is good. So even Nifty is down, your IT sector is going up, so then the probability of Maruti also going will be up. So this is the way of analysis we will be doing within my mentorship program. Though you guys are spending only 5,000, believe me, this is just 1% of 2%. I'll be explaining you my complete rule-based swing trading system. When I say rule-based, yes, it's a rule-based. Because I've made a video yesterday, right? It's a rule-based swing trading system. I've just given you a small sample. So basically, I do the analysis on this side. It is backward. Maruti followed by sector, followed by index. If required, I'll also go and see what the SGX Nifty has to say, because SGX Nifty is father of Nifty. You got it? So this is the way of the analysis I'll be teaching with you by just spending 5,000. The reason why I'm telling you 5,000 is like within 5 to 6 stocks you will be getting. So we will find. See, end of the day, what happens? Either your Maruti will go up, right? You will get a huge profit even if the Maruti comes down. So we will be having a strict stop loss of 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5% based on your trading style, based on your risk appetite. So end of the day, we are going for 1:2, or at times if you get 1:3 potential stock, we will go. The moment, so let's say, I'll tell you one thing. I'll also do, right? Let's say the Maruti goes by up by, so this is my stop loss. Let's say this is my stop loss 1%. Maruti went by 3%. So what I'll do next time, the moment Maruti stands at 3%, I'll trail my stop loss to cost to cost. That's it. The moment I get my stop loss to cost, I can hold the trade. Right? If it goes up, if it goes to 5%, slowly I'll move my stop loss to 2% or 3%. Even if Maruti comes and it's my stop loss, I'll be getting my 3% of profit. Let's say you are deploying such 10 trades across all the sector analysis. We are going to do the analysis across the sector. I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio based on these sectors. No one will tell you, friend. No one will tell you. Have you ever seen like someone doing the index analysis of SGX plus Nifty plus your sector plus your potential stock? And along with this, I'll also teach you how to find the breakout stocks, how to find the breakout or breakdown, right? How to find whether the stock is giving a reversal, or it is giving a retracement, or it is giving a consolidation, or it is like pullback, I mean, there are like so many things. I'll be like how to find the trend of the market. You need to know the trend of the market, right? I'll be not using a single indicator. Believe me, you will enjoy my price action. Alright friends, so thank you friends. So this is what I wanted to make a video before I start my swing trading. There was a very big question in your mind saying that easy only towards the FN option. No dear friends, I mean I keep on telling in my what do we say, in my videos, right, saying that my first expertise level is my swing trading. Okay, so this is what. So hence I've proven my 2 years of equity profit and loss. I'm not sure like how you took this video. If there is a gambler who thinks that this guy has made 2 lakhs, 2.5, 3 lakhs and he has given it to market, so then you are a gambler. Try to think, yes, this guy has made profit. He experimented the market for 2.5 years with the profit what he has earned. If you take that, into consideration, so then you will become a successful trader. 2 years right now, with the 2 years of experience, don't you think market has taught me that experience? So that experience I want to share with you guys. If you have trust, please join my mentorship program. If not, I'll try to prove you again, right? I'll try to show you my wife account, or because the client accounts, right? So I'll just take the permission from the clients. I'll just try to share all those accounts. Now, I think unless and until I start showing you the bigger profits, you will not believe. The only reason why I show smaller profit is like, end of the day, we all retailers. And let me show you one thing, right? Let me show you one thing also. Let me take you to this thing also, friend. Okay, 1 second. Let me take you to this thing, right? What is my capital in my Angel account? Right, I'll refresh the page. I'm not playing big because I know majority of the retailers have very less capital. Still, I'm able to show you, even if you have a capital of 3. See, what is my capital? 2,17,000 plus 33. So maybe 2.5 lakhs is my capital from it. Still, I'm making good profit. Yes, based on my capital, my profit will be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. If I increase one 0 here, let's say this is my 1,83,000. If I increase 1 0, that is 18 lakhs. Even whatever profit I'm making, I'll just add 1 0 over there. Right? If you want to see my this account also, okay, let me show you. Right? Even I'll show you this thing also. I'll go to reports. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'll go to reports. Now I'll go to profit and loss. Even I'll show you, right? Even this thing, profit and loss. I'll go to equity. First, let me take you to 2021. Right? I'll click on OK. No trades, friends. No trades as such. I'm showing you a live account. All right. I'll go to 2021, 22. Okay. I'm just clicking on OK. So now check. I've almost made 13,000. These are all the experimental trades. These are all the experimental trades. You know, right? With the Angel One, I've been doing what? The forex margin. Just to explore the forex margin, friends. Believe me. In the swing trading, you will get the forex margin. You will get how smart way we can execute. We can do the forex margin, right? I'm at 14,000 profit. Let me take you to current year. Okay, if you look at the current year, see, these are all my green trades. Yes, I'll show you one thing, right? No YouTuber will be showing, so I'll be like very transparent with you guys. See, these are all my profits. See, the recent Bajaj Finance, these are all Indraprastha, L&T. If you look at this thing, these are all my current, and then yes, I had the loss making trade also because I'm into experimental phase. End of the day, I'm at a loss of 5,737. What do I say? Whenever I have a trading also, whenever I have a trade open, I intentionally give that profit to experiment the market. See, sorry for reiterating multiple times. Yes, you guys have to do the experimental. Don't look out for the see now overall. What is this? Overall, I'm at a loss of 5,000, but previous year I was at a profit of almost like, let me show you. I was a profit of almost like 14,000. So net, I'm at 10,000 profit. I'm not giving importance to this profit. This is my experimental trade. Intentionally, I sacrifice the profit. Let me show you, and let me show you one of the stock which is there in my portfolio, because I have been holding Maruti since from long in the sense, since from 1 week, because of purely this analysis. See, Maruti, it's with 172 loss. I've deployed just 20,000 in this trade, and the remaining 80,000 I got it from what? Where? From the Angel One, based on the same analysis. What I show you, I do. See, if you want, let me show you. Where is that? Okay, this one, right? Whatever I'm showing you, I'm trading simple, right? This is the analysis. So now I know Nifty is at critical resistance, sector is about to give a pullback, bounce back, and even Maruti stands here. If Maruti comes down, I'll exit the trade with 2% or 3%, 4%, 5%. I know where is my another stop loss would be somewhere here. So I'll tell you somewhere here. This is my another stop loss. If Maruti breaks this, so then if this breaks and comes down, I'll exit the Maruti with the loss. It is not always all about green. You have to accept the loss. If I'm taking 10 stocks with 1:3, even if I'm losing 5, I'm winning 5, you know, right? I lose 5 rupees. Here I'll get 10 rupees because 1:2. So 10 minus 5, so net I'm into 5. So I'll accept this loss. Everything is based on the price action. Alright friends, so thank you. I think I might have conveyed the video. I mean, for all the swing traders, watch this 1 time, 2 time, and then you take the decision. Anyways, today at 9 o'clock we have the Q&A sessions, live Q&A sessions at 9 o'clock. So let's connect at 9 o'clock in that case. Alright friends, thank you.